How to make Illy coffee using this machine. First, switch on at the back. Then make sure you have water in the compartment below. Now it's time to fill out the capsule. Open. Then take the capsule, which is provided by Illy. Today I'm choosing medium roast. Put it in the compartment for the capsule, then press it on. Press like this. Okay, the lights, you can see the blinking light, meaning that it's processing. So once you see the green light here, then you can press whichever coffee that you want, short or long. I'm choosing short. Whoops. Whoop, 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 whoop. Make sure you have a cup of coffee there. Just in time. Okay, that's it. That's how you make coffee using this Illy machine.